You don't have to be that. Hello. So this was recently painted, right?
Yes.
What color is it? Is it a midnight purple?
Midnight Purple 3.
Okay. And then, so is this like actually midnight purple 3?
Actual Midnight Purple 3.
Oh wow. It's expensive paint.
Yeah.
It's really pretty. It looks great in the sun too.
Thank you.
We'll get another angle of it from the back, and we should be able to see the gold, right?
Yep, the gold. You'll see the purple and bluish right now, and then as you move to the back, it's gonna transition to the gold.
Yeah, it looks super clean.
You did all of the carbon work.
Very nice.
Everything in the front is carbon.
Oh yeah, you can see everything's painted. That's sick.
And as you move, the carbon as well will change colors.
That's awesome. So what is this?
2013 Genesis Coupe 2.0.
And this is the BK2, which is the second generation.
Yep, second gen. Second and last gen.
Right. Unfortunately.
Yeah.
I feel like this is such a cool car. They just didn't do enough advertisement for it.
Yeah.
And this was like around when other stuff was popping off, like WRXs and all the other cool stuff. So
there's a lot of builds that they do for drifting.
Yeah.
A lot of people use this for drift because it's a rear-wheel drive.
Right, and it's a really well-balanced car.
Yeah.
I know, like in Korea, they are super popular. Obviously.
Yep.
What's done to it?
Let's see. Air suspension. The full front lip, fenders, the side skirts, a big kit for Brembo, the lip on the back, the diffuser, I should say, in the trunk. They've both been replaced. Full RGB lights, which sucks in the day because you can't see them. What else out here? A Krapovich exhaust, which is something into it. And outside, I think that is all.
And then you can really see the gold popping now.
Yeah, if you stand like right here, you will get everything.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's super sick. So what wheels are on this?
These are some 19-inch Vogue racing wheels.
They're very nice. The color goes so well with the paint.
Yeah, I had them powder coat.
Very nice.
This color because this is one of the colors that it comes in, but the ones that I got, it was like a gunmetal.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, great choice in the gold.
Thank you.
And then, so all of this carbon, I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera, but all the carbon's painted in the midnight purple?
Yes, everything has. Every exposed carbon has been painted. The trunk, the hood. The only thing I didn't paint was the seats inside, but they are full carbon.
Oh, okay, very cool.
Yeah.
And then the hood's painted as well?
Yep, the hood will change as well, yeah. And then the interior pieces as well of the engine bay.
Oh, okay. And then what hood is this? VIS?
VIS, yep. VIS hood and then a Saban trunk.
Oh, okay, very cool.
And then the lip on the front is G4 Works, and then the brake ducts, I guess, those are from G4 Works as well. And then I have a new lip coming, middle piece, and then a new piece like that in carbon fiber as well.
Oh, okay, very
And
nice.
this one is another piece from them, carbon fiber.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah.
It looks so good with all the carbon.
Yeah.
I love it so much. So well done. And then it looks like you have a bunch done in the interior.
In the interior, we just have the center console done.
Real quick, can you open it?
Yeah. And obviously he did the interior paint.
Oh, very nice.
Yep. This carbon seats.
You want to hold that real quick?
Yep. Carbon seats, steering wheel. This one was done to it because obviously you cannot get this one stock, which is a Banks gauge. It's pretty cool. It keeps all my temps. I have the Tesla screen in the middle from Workshop 12. Of the center console, and then the armrest is carbon fiber as well. And then next week, that woofer box is gonna be in the trunk with a custom box.
That's very nice. I love the interior. The seats are so sick.
Yeah, surprisingly, they are comfortable.
Nice. And anything done to the engine?
Engine-wise, just full bolt-ons.
Okay.
It's about to go in 2 weeks for a rebuild, and that way it's gonna get OEM plus. So it's gonna have a little bit bigger pistons, so you have to bore it out a little bit more. But it's just gonna be an OEM plus while the new engine is getting built.
but that's gonna be like 4 months.
Very cool.
Okay, so at this point the audio cut out. I don't know why. My action camera just stopped recording audio, but it was all good the whole time. It was one continuous clip, so I'm not sure what happened there, but I'm just going to do a voiceover to finish it. Basically, that was it. Right after this, we did a photo shoot, which I'll include in this video. I was going to do it as a separate video, but we're just going to include it in this one just to make the videos a little bit longer. I feel like, I don't know, just making the videos longer would be kind of nice instead of these short, 10-minute videos, 15-minute videos. So what we're going to do is just transition over to the photo shoot part of it, have me shoot the car, and I hope you guys enjoy. Peace.